Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 7. Our today's discussion topic is unseen passage. This is my second lecture of annual examination. In my previous lecture, I have provided an HW for you. I hope you have already submitted that HW. Our today's discussion topic is unseen passage. Passage name is Under the Full Moon. To extract answer from a reading passage, to extract the question from a reading passage, first of all you need to skim the passage. You need to skim the full passage. So what is skimming? Skimming means to read out the full passage to get a general overview of the full passage. Then you need to go to questions. After reading questions properly, then you go back to passage again. So find out the specific information, then answer properly. So during reading, you must find out the specific information and you can underline with your pencil. Now let's go to our today's discussion. Okay, it's collected from in English for today, Unit 6, Lesson 7. Read the text first and then choose the best answer to the following question from the alternatives given. You do not need to reproduce the whole chunk of the answer. Only corresponding number will do. Okay. It was Jishan's grandparents' house in the village. The night sky was clear. The full moon was shining brightly. How? The full moon was shining brightly. Brightly means excellent. All brilliantly. Brightly means brilliantly. All the family members had delicious supper and sat in the yard. Jishan's cousins Jahid and Shima were very excited. They are the same age. They were also studying at the village school. Their grandparents gladly joined them. They were sitting on a bamboo mat. Everybody felt relaxed. Underline these words. They were talking, laughing and joking. Underline the sentence. The children's voices were the loudest. Jahid described how he played for his school in the Opozela inter-school tournament. What sports do you take part in, Jishan? He's asking to Jishan. Ask Jahid. Jishan said, couldn't answer. It should be Jishan. Okay. Jishan couldn't answer. There was no playground in his school. That's why he didn't answer his question. And around his house also. Shima also told them how she won the first prize for 100 meter sprint. Sprint is one type of sports name. It's name of a run, racing a run. Okay, in her school annual sports, she sang a beautiful bawaiya. Everybody clapped their hands in delight. Julie's aunt, Mrs. Jahanara, told some funny jokes that made them laugh their head off. Head off means they were laughing loudly. The family gathering went on far into the night. Here went on means to continue. Far means deep into the night. Now passage reading is done. During this reading, you should underline the specific words, tense, vocabulary and some important lines. Now go to question number 1. It was Jishan's grandparents' house in the village. Here grandparents mean option number 1, father of father. It specifies only father's side. Number B, father and mother of parents. It specified both sides from father to mother also. Their parents, it indicates father and mothers, their and their parents. Mother of the parents, it specifies only mother's side, so it can be answered. Number D, father and mother of father. It specifies only father from parents. So correct answer should be father and mother of parents because your word was grandparents. Grandparents means father, it can be father of parents or it can be mother of parents. So answer should be number B. Okay, next to number 2. The full moon was shining brightly. What does brightly mean? What does brightly mean? According to passage, we came to learn that brightly means brilliantly. Brightly means brilliantly. Because colorfully is it can be answered. Colorfully means decorated nicely. Friendly, no, it can be. And brightly is the wrong word of bright. It was the verb from brighten. It comes from verb brighten, so it can be word brightly. So correct answer brilliantly. Number 3. Everybody felt relaxed. The meaning of the word relax is, relax means carefree, relation, enjoyable, ready. Ready can be enjoyable, it can be relation, it's not the meaning of relax. Relax means carefree, where this is a situation where there is no work. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of supper? We know that as Bangladeshi we have different types of food items and food style. We take fruit in breakfast. If we take food neither breakfast nor afternoon, suppose you take your breakfast at 11:30, it's called brunch. It's not our breakfast, it's not also lunch, it should be brunch. Okay, at night, in the evening we take dinner. At the midnight or at the final meal of our day, which is called supper, which is heavy food of the day, that is called supper. So supper can be breakfast. Snacks means light food. Lunch is the meal of at noon. Meal at night. Yes, supper means meal at night. The word far means, according to the passage, far means deep. So search the word deep here. Distance, it can be, though the similar word of distance and distant, but it can be the correct answer because in our passage it has been used here. The family gathering went on far into the night. Here far refers a meaning of deep. The word joke. Joke means jest. Poke means to push another. Mock means to criticize others. Ridicule and mock both are same, to criticize others. So joke means jest, to make fun. Okay, the word describe means relate. Explains, no. Describe means relate, is a similar word of relate. Explain means explanation, to give a brief. So next one is communicate. Communicate means contact, and ascribe is another. No, those the correct answer should be relate. Next one is the word tournament means game and play. These both are same, and this one kind of activity which is involved or we do for making enjoyment. Match is one kind of activities which we can organize by a group of players of group of team. So it should be match. Tournament means match. Friendly game, it can be the answer. The word funny. Funny means beautiful, no. Interesting, yes. Funny means interesting. After having delicious supper, all the members of the family, according to the passage, we came to learn that they were sitting in the yard. They were sitting in the yard. This is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you have understood our today's discussion. For answering a reading passage, you should, first of all, you should read out the passage carefully. Then during this reading, you can underline some specific information. Then go to question and read out the question properly. After reading question, then go back to passage again and match the information with your question. Don't read elaborately your passage. Keep practicing at home. Read a lot in your main textbook and avoid your parents. I hope we will see you again soon.